Going on, guys? We are here in Ikea for today. Today we are at Smith and I Street. We went to Ikea, located on Brooklyn, Beard Street, Brooklyn. As you guys can see over here, here's the World Trade Center. And here it is. We are by the river for today. So as you guys can see, this is the river located in Beard Street, Brooklyn. And here is the furniture shop, Ikea. They have lots of foods, dinings, and a lot of things you guys can see over here. And here's all the riverside. Here's the water.